The first derivative test, visualizing relative extrema with TI-84CE. We will begin by graphing this function using this window in blue. We will then graph the derivative of the function in y1 with respect to x at all values of x. I love this feature using this command here. And the question we could ask is, where is the relative maximum point? And we'll investigate this using mode graph table. I'll press a second graph to be able to trace from the table. And so I'm going to go down the table. Notice that as I do that, the ordered pair is in the table, and you can see it on the graph. And this seems to be a maximum point right here. But let's slide over to the y2, the derivative, and you can see at the derivative, the value is, for all practical purposes, 0, 4 times 10 to the negative 6th. So that does make it a critical number. Placing those screenshots side by side, we can see that a relative extrema can occur when the first derivative is 0. Here's the relative extrema. Here's where the derivative is 0. And what about a relative minimum point? Let me go back to y1 and arrow down until I get to a minimum value, which is at x equals 3, negative 138. And then slide over again to the derivative and see that the y-coordinate is 0 at this x value of 3. And summarizing, again, a relative extrema occurs when the first derivative is 0, in this case a relative minimum. If you would like to do something like this with your students, check out the links to the PDF and Word documents in the description for this video. And for other related videos in this series, check out the video links on the screen.